Alright, this is WWJ, Weapon with Joe. I got my papaya trees over here. I got tie down. I put more tie downs. Put the bungee straps are going across, going that way and bring it down here. The pigs I got 3 pigs here, but I think I need one probably from this that coming this down here. On one pig side. We got this one here, but you notice this is already pulled out. This is already pulled out here. So we're gonna make sure that bugger don't go nowhere. It's all possible anyway. I'm just gonna pop this bugger a little deeper. And see how this one works. But anyway, wow, yeah. Anyway, there's a second video on this clip here. First one was making all the tie downs, so I might have to put one more tie down on the left now to get more bungees. Phew, that bug is coming from the. It's coming from the west. Look like. If it comes from the north, from this portion here, going across here, it'll go into the fence. If it blows this way, then it's okay because the fence line in the house over there will help protect the wind there. But that wind right over here comes over this house, right up here, comes right into this pocket here, and woo, wow. So the fence does get blown down here. Anyway, if you're out there in Kauai, be safe. Whatever it is. Anyway, again, WWJ, Whipping with Joe. Protecting papaya trees here. Aloha.